In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp as an individual or for personal use. Many people think that ClickUp is only used by teams for project management, but that is not correct. In fact, ClickUp can be used by anyone or any number of people, from the individual up to teams of people in corporations. So I'm going to share with you some ways ClickUp can be used by an individual to get more done in the day. Let's get to it. ClickUp allows individuals to organize their tasks effectively. Not only can they organize their tasks all in one place, they can change the statuses, so they can have a status that says ready or to do or complete or in progress, and all that is up to you. When you create tasks, you can set deadlines via due dates, you can add descriptions to these, you can even flag them to say how important they are for you to do. And ClickUp has a variety of views, so you can look at your tasks in a list form, in a Kanban view, or even as a calendar. And if you want to see more about the different views you can use in ClickUp, then I'll put a card up here and the link in the description. Do you want to keep track of your goals? Have you set yourself some goals but haven't been able to keep track of them? If you want to keep track of your goals, then ClickUp is the app for you. In ClickUp, you can set any goals at all. You can set fitness goals, you can set habit forming goals, you can even set goals to say how many books you've read in a week. You can take a big goal and break it down into small manageable tasks, and ClickUp shows you a progress bar so you can see how well you're doing or whether you need to focus more. With your goals safely stored in ClickUp, you can check on them at any time, and this will keep you motivated and working towards completion. As an individual, I was always losing my notepad, my pens, my little sticky post-its that I jotted down really important items on. I kept losing them, I could never find them, even though it was very important information. Well, moving to ClickUp, I started to use it for all my note-taking. ClickUp allows you to take notes within your tasks, but it also has a separate notepad that you can call up at any point and write anything in it. In addition to this, you can add documents to your tasks. And in those documents, you can add tables, you can change font and font color, you can even use different sizes of text. So instead of having your notes all over the place, you can have them in one place in the ClickUp app. One of the best ways I use ClickUp as an individual are the reminders. You can set individual reminders to send notifications to your mobile devices at any time you want. In addition to this, you can add reminders to tasks. So if you have to complete a certain task at a specific time during the day, you can set yourself a reminder for 10 or 15 minutes before that time, and ClickUp will send a notification to both your mobile app and your desktop. So rather than having 5 different apps all doing different things, you can put all of those tasks into one app, saving you time and energy. And that's how ClickUp can help you as an individual. And if you want to see more tutorials about ClickUp, then don't forget to follow and subscribe. And if you want to see how ClickUp can help you if you are a content creator, then watch this video next.